Oh boy, look at all my Skylanders. Series 1, my entire army. There's still... I wonder what that was. Who the heck is knocking on my door? Hello, anybody? What the heck is this? Let's go see what it is. This is the third box I got, like, in my life. I don't know what it is. Let's turn on a light. Awesome drag race track. Okay, I need to open up the box. Can you hand me the scissors? Never mind, I got it. What is it? What is the Skylander? What is it? It's Series 2 Drobot! Oh my gosh! Series 2 Drobot. Now all we need now is Series 2 Slam Bam and a couple other variants, baby. That's right. All is left is a few variants, a couple of legendaries, and Slam Bam, baby. Oh yeah. Best wishes for me finding Slam Bam now. Series 2 Drobot. I've been waiting since I found about him. Now he's here from eBay, baby. That's right. I got this from Activision. They know about me because I do a whole bunch of Skylander stuff. Oh boy. Series 2 Drobot. Okay, I'll make another video on unboxing them. Thank you.